What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today I got a quick simple DIY for you guys. So by now you probably might have seen your favorite celebrity, influencer, or whoever you draw inspiration from wearing jeans, and the bottom of the jeans they look like this. This is called a released hem, and it's a very simple DIY to do. It probably takes like 5 minutes. So today I'm going to teach you how to do that, and the best part about this is that if you grow out of them, you can always fold them back up, stitch it up, and that's it. So let's get crafty. Alright, so go ahead and lay your jeans flat in a place that is the most comfortable for you. I just recommend a table or something that you have that it's easy for you to work on. And the only tools that you're gonna need, it's a seam ripper, a blade, or just some small scissors like this, something like this. This is a seam ripper. You got the blade here. This is an X-Acto knife, or you can just use one of those shaving blades or some little scissors, and then an iron. So you can use your normal iron. I just recommend using the one that you already have. You don't need a professional one or anything for that. So first things first, you're gonna take the bottom of the jeans here, and today I'm just gonna be using my seam ripper, but I'm gonna show you guys how you can do with each one of them. So I'm gonna use the seam ripper, and let me get close here so you can see. So pretty much all jeans have this stitching going around it, and all you wanna do is release this stitching. So you're just gonna go ahead and rip that. And I usually do 2 or 3, and then one that's done is gonna allow you to open this. And I usually just fold it over and start cutting. So for the blade, you can do the same thing. You can go ahead and rip it here with the blade just like this, and just repeat the same process again. Open them up and start cutting. Pretty easy, nice, simple step. And same thing with the scissors. Let me show you on this side here. So you're gonna grab the scissors and you're gonna cut there, and once that's cut, it's gonna allow you to open up the bottom hem, and then you just go ahead and cut on the inside of it. And just like that, it's gonna be released, and you're gonna be left with something like this. And that's pretty much all you gotta do. So just go around the 2 legs. Once you're done with that, you're gonna be left with something like this, and all you're gonna wanna do is remove the threads, the loose threads here. You can always use a lint roller to make your life easier. Sometimes it just kind of helps with the tiny threads. Just go ahead and remove all of those threads all around it with your hand, lint roller, it doesn't really matter. Alright, so after you're done removing all of the threads, or at least most of them, go ahead and open the leg all the way down just like this, and just put it flat, and then open all the way. And then you want to grab your iron and just go ahead and iron that flat just like that. Give her a nice press, especially here in the corners, because it's kind of harder here. Just go ahead and press it down really nicely. Fold it over. Make sure you're not letting anything inside, and then press it, and then just go ahead and repeat the same process with the other leg. So you want to go ahead and open it all the way around it, then grab your iron and press it flat. Make sure you're not leaving anything inside, or fold it in. Go ahead and press that and fold around it, open it again, and you just want to go ahead and keep repeating the same process until you have it all nice and flat. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you really enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.